Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to sort reviews in Google Maps. So to start, open the Google Maps app on your phone and sign into your account. Next, use the search bar at the top to find the business, restaurant, hotel, or other place you want to check. So tap the place name to open its information page. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the review section. Then tap on reviews. So at the top of the again. So once you click review, so down here, so you can choose the option you prefer. So depending on the place and app version, you may see options such as you have relevance, newest, you have highest, and lowest rating. And you also have relevance. So relevance shows reviews Google considers most useful or relevant. You have newest, so puts the most recently posted reviews first. Then you have highest rating, so it shows reviews with the highest star ratings first. Then you also have lowest, which shows reviews with the lowest star ratings first. Then click apply.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
So once you select an option, Google Maps will rearrange the reviews automatically. For example, if you're checking whether a restaurant has recurring complaints, so you can change it to lowest rating first. So this lets you quickly see 1 and 2 star reviews and identify common issues such as poor service, long waiting times, food quality, or pricing. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.